I've just bought a Samsung Galaxy Note 9 from Magpie. It was a good deal, but was it a good idea? Hi, welcome to the Mammoth Tech Show. I'm Jeff, and today we're looking at a fairly simple question. Is getting a pre-owned phone like this Galaxy Note 9, at least we hope it's a Galaxy Note 9, is it a good idea? It's good value, but is it a good idea? Well, first things first, let's get it out of the packaging it came in and let's see what we've got. So, a little background. Magpie have 3 levels of condition for their goods. There's good condition, very good and pristine. Now the difference between the good condition and very good was in monetary terms about 20 quid. So we decided to go for the middle ground. The descriptions are typically vague for these sorts of things. Good condition says it's in good working order, and the very good condition says it's in fully working order. So make of that what you will. But it's really the cosmetic damage or lack thereof that we need to look at. And also things like what sort of packaging do we get? Do we get the original box and all the gubbins, which I suspect you do with the pristine. But seeing as I've been just putting it in a case, the pristine seems a little overkill. Okay, so try to get through the plastic without stabbing myself. Down there, out of harm's way. Feels like it should be the original box. Let's have a look in. Yes. It's not a generic white box. That's a good start. Yes, it's the original box. That's a good start. Definitely a very good start. Show you there. So we have the original box. Well, original Samsung box. Doesn't give us any more than that. And let's open it up. And yeah, we have some bump from Magpie themselves. Why did I go for the Galaxy Note 9? Well, I've always fancied a Galaxy Note since they first came out. It was the whole idea of the larger screen. I just like the idea of a larger screen, and clearly so did a lot of other people, which is why mobile phone screens have got ever larger. And to that extent, the large screen of the Note has become less of the unique part of it. It's now mainly the old pen, which hopefully is still in here. This should be the blue variant because I really rather like the yellow pencil. Like the look of that yellow pencil that comes with it, or hopefully should come with it. And here we have our phone, and it is looking nice. Conveniently, we have a nice cleaning cloth, so you can check to see whether anything's just dust or it is a ding. Let's have a look on the back. We have a distinct lack of scratches or any form of thing. I'll have a proper look at this, but it looks on initial inspection to be in excellent condition. And we have that all important pencil, and there it is in all its yellow glory. That is a relief to see that. Yes, they haven't just lost the original pen and put some generic copy of the pen in. It's it's the, well, at least looks to be the original pen, so that is good. It clicks nicely into there. What else do we get in the box? Yeah, the little music Magpie branded cloth, which is a nice thing to see. And what else have we got in the box? So what comes in the box? Come on, open box, open box. And we have a slightly dented, I don't think it was supposed to come, I don't know, it doesn't look like it was supposed to come sitting on top of the box. I think it was supposed to be in the box, because it just looks like it's been pushed down and created a bit of a crater. It's arrived in good stead, so that's none the worse for it. We have a nice cable. Yep. Do we have in a SIM extraction tool? No. No. No, we do not have any kind of wall plug. No wall wart at all. I don't think the Note 9 came with any form of special quick charge adapter, but if it did, it didn't come with this one. So basically what we have is the phone itself, obviously, the stylus nicely stowed away, the SIM extraction tool. We have two SIM extraction tools. Okay, right, there's another one in there. And here we have our Type-C cable. Yes, it's an unbranded cable, so probably not the original. I suspect with our lovely pristine version we'd have got the proper cable and maybe even the original charger that it came with, but of course you don't really need the original charger or even the original cable. Some phones now do require original chargers and cables to do their party piece very, very, very fast quick charging. Some of the Oppo phones, they demand that you use the original cable and charger to get the really quick 40-minute recharge, but I don't think this is this type. Let's have a look in the hand, and it's a really nice weight. If there's any power in the little fella. Oh, yeah. Here we go. And we see here. Here we go. So he's switching himself on, and he does look to be in, basically, apart from a few, little smudges, maybe the lightest of scratches. Apart from that, nothing really to speak of. Yeah, that's gone into the main. Let's go starting up. So we'll do a bit of testing, but first things first, initial impressions are that yes, this is in very good condition, and yeah, so far getting the Galaxy Note 9 from Music Magpie seems to have been an excellent idea. After additional investigation and testing, I'm happy to report that no nasty surprises have emerged. The phone is in extremely good cosmetic condition, and there's no sign of excessive wear on the battery, with a charge lasting up to 2 days. A little research reveals that a brand new retail box would have included a fast charger, plus a pair of rather nice AKG earbuds. The pristine version may have come with a fast charger, which would have been nice, but I'm not so convinced about the idea of second-hand earbuds. All in all, I'm extremely happy with the phone, especially considering I managed to get it for around a third of its original launch price. So in conclusion, my experience of using Magpie to pick up a decent smartphone has been extremely positive. If you have any experiences with picking up pre-owned smartphones, why not share them in the comments. If you found this video useful, please give it a like or even share it. It really does help us out. And if you'd like to see more from us, why not subscribe? I've been Jeff, this has been the Mammoth Tech Show, and you've been very kind to watch. Thank you very much.
Oh.